Hello, I'm Anastasia, and today we are at Intercharm Professional Beauty Show. It is held twice a year in September and this time in April. Thousands of nail booths are going to be here, and also we're going to check out hair booth and all other beauty stuff. And nail competition is held here as well. Today I will be doing a demo on gel sculpting, and tomorrow I will also do natural nail gel overlay. And like usual, I will show you around and show you the most interesting latest nail trends, nail booth, nail design, and inspiration. Let's go.
They talking like they next door. I still treat them like a stepson. Champagne showers on the way. I've been working 25 hours every day. Pull up with the bands, have them dancing in the rain. Pull up with the bands, have them dancing in the rain. Yo. Know your place, yeah, know your place.
This is the first day of the show and it is so crowded. I don't know why, but usually the first day is always like that. Maybe people think that, all the best stuff will be gone the next day. I don't know. So usually there are many booths that are dedicated to only one thing, like this one, fashion nail slider design. So they offer only stickers and nothing else. And I think it's cool because when you're looking for something specific, it's kind of cool to have this kind of booth. And also there are plenty of brands, international ones, as well as the local Russian brands. And let's just take a look. So here I can see the Euromed service. So they are specialized in equipment, nail machines, dust collectors, all kind of stuff. And honestly, I'm ordering from them for a long time now, and I just like the quality, the service. So Strong 90, that's the one we use for our educational center, for our school. And as you can see, there are many different colors for this dust saver. So this is the name of the company. The next one, Nika Nigel, I think it's German. So they are focused on nail art. They have many different kinds of products for nail art. 3D gel, 5D gels, watercolor gels, and the color selection is just huge. I mean, just take a look. You want like really thick consistency yellow neon gel? No problem. They definitely have it. So this yellow one is dedicated to pedicure only. So all you need to have for pedicure, you can find it there. And usually every booth they have something to show, like they're doing the demos. This is a really big thing because everybody wants to see how the product works. Everybody wants to try it. So here the next one is EMI. You probably have heard of it because it's pretty well known worldwide. And this is a Russian brand and their focus is also nail art, but they specialize in this girly nail art. I really like their style. It's like white and pink, again, really girly, and they do such a great job like showing their design. So this is how the demo area looks like. So this is the owner and the founder of the company, Ekaterina Miroshnichenko. So the name of the company, EMI, is basically her initials, like Ekaterina is the name and MI is first two letters of her last name. So here she did this design, the bees, it was a sticker, and then she simply outlined them with the 3D golden gel, and then she did this rose. Well, honestly, I missed the first part of the demo, but I really like how they make everything made so easy. Like, you don't have to paint this bee, right? Why not just use the sticker and then outline it? I really like this kind of ideas, especially for beginners, for us nail techs who don't really have plenty of time, but we still want our clients to be like, wow, you did this beautiful design. Next booth is Ru Nail. RU is like Russian nail, I guess. That was the idea for the name of their brand. So they've been there for a while. They have everything, like starting from equipment, gel polishes, gels, like a lot of things. And they used to be affordable, but now I think this brand is more expensive. And here's another one, Lunail. The first letter is L. That's the difference. And they also have everything. Gels, gel polishes, color gels, but most brands are really big on gel polishes because this is the most popular service here in Russia currently. And this is me doing the gel sculpting demo. And honestly, working on the show is one of the challenging things ever because unlike shooting a video, you cannot have several takes. It's live, people are surrounding you. You can barely hear what your model is saying because it's super loud here, because from every single booth they are shouting something, some music is going on, and during all this chaos, you need to show something beautiful and unique. So I'm not complaining, just saying that it's pretty hard, but I like challenges. I think they really help us to grow as a professionals. And here's the gel drop. I'm explaining like how you should apply the gel. Like when you take it from the jar, this gel drop should be only from the one side of the brush, while the other side should be completely clean. And this kind of booth I usually call the bling booth. So let me read you these words: prism, blazer, I have no idea what it is, acrylic gel hybrid, watercolor, unicorn, flowing gel, flocking powder, another kind of flocking powder, chameleons, like all kind of glitters, pigments and powders. Like you can find it all at this booth, and it's not the only one on the show. Here we have nail drills, containers, sanitizers, all you need for it.
So this was the overview of Intercharm Beauty Show. We met many interesting people and checked out new latest trends, which are bubble flowers and 3D metallic designs. And do not forget to subscribe if you would like to get more overviews of nail beauty shows around the world. I'm Anastasia, and I will see you later. Goodbye.